Okay, today guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a car handle on the back door of a Toyota Sienna. So, before you work on the inner workings of it, you can take the lining off, like that right there, and by doing that you just take off the handles and the little holdy thingy, and then you take that off, and then you unscrew nuts there, and it's 10 millimeter, by the way. Then once you got that removed, the main problem with these handles is they're plastic and they're easy to break off. So that's the main problem. So after I'm just filming it, opening it, so it's easier to film this way. So anyways, so after you took all this stuff off, you can move this latch right here, and it'll just open your door for you. So after you do that, you have to remove these two. Let's go ahead and do that. Also have to remove this nut, because remember, the whole thing back here has to come off. Okay, and before you can move the latch on the outside, you have to remove this in order to take it off. That is what the mechanism works on. Another step in getting off the handle is to remove this little plastic piece with a tool, preferably a wrench or hammer. Now we're ready to remove the little piece that holds the handle. There we go. So, in order to get the handle off, there's two screws we need to take off. So, I'm using a Phillips head. Get these off. If I can align this correctly. It's magnetic. Now, we're ready to take this one off and put the new one on. Simple as that.
So how was it broken?
It's broken because this part right here was out of place for opening it a lot of times. So, they couldn't open it because this was like this, and it was loose. Now, all I have to do is put your new one in, and then put it all back together. So, we're screwing back these nuts in to hold this thing in place. This is what you do after you fix the handle. All you have to do is put that little thing back in place to make the mechanism work, the cable. So snap it in to both of those places, and you got it. It actually works now. Well, now we just have to put this back on. Now we just have to snap this part in. So make sure the little yellow cone pieces are lined up so you don't break any. And then you punch them in like so. Now your Toyota Sienna is fixed and ready for use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on iHazmechanics.